Your own personal trainer in an iPad, today on AppJudgment.
This episode of AppJudgment is brought to you by Windows Azure. Think in Windows Azure.
Hello and welcome to Revision 3's App Review Show. I'm David Prager. Now, there are dozens of fitness apps out there, stuff like iFitness and the myriad of running applications that we've reviewed previously here on AppJudgment. Well, today I'm going to go a little biased on you and introduce a small family of apps called Skimble, made by two personal friends of mine, Maria Lai and Gabe Van Rennen. Just last week, they released their brand new workout trainer for the iPad. The app is free, and when you launch it, you're immediately presented with 20 categories full of different kinds of workouts. The categories span from yoga to muscle groups like arms, abs, chest, and back to full-on CrossFit workouts. You can also browse workouts and search by keywords like abs and tricep. Every single workout or workout routine is labeled as mild, moderate, or intense, and has also a time to complete it and a star rating associated with it. One of the cooler features is that you can add and create your own workout. In the new workout creator, you'll create the name of your workout, describe your workout, and then include as many different routines as you'd like. There is a search feature that will help you auto-populate routines of any of the hundreds that they already have in existence in the app. Your workouts can then be saved for the public to see. If you have no idea what to do, there's a feature called Shaker Sizer that functions just like the Urban Spoon. In it, you can randomize or lock in a length of workout, area of the body to work out, and level of intensity, and then basically shake it or hit the button to get a random workout selected for you. When you select a workout or routine, you'll see a description of each individual routine along with a visual and instructions for how to complete it. There's sometimes video associated with the routine in order to help guide you. When you're in the middle of a workout, a timer for each routine will run, and you'll automatically progress from routine to routine until you complete the entire workout. There are audio cues that can be played in the background of music that you might already have playing. The audio is usually consisted of a computerized voice reading descriptions of the routine as you're doing the workout, along with cues of when your time is almost up.
Grab the pull-up bar with an underhanded grip and pull your chin up to meet your wrists.
Once you've completed a workout, you have the option to save it. This is the next huge component about this app, the tracking, logging, and scheduling, as well as the social element. When you begin using the app, you're prompted to create a Skimble account that syncs to the cloud and is accessible from the Skimble.com website as well as from any iPhone or iPad. In your personal view, you can see all the workouts you've completed along with any notes about them that you've chosen to save. It's also cool that you can interface with iCal and have all the past workouts you've done appear there, as well as schedule any workout you want to do in the future straight in through the iCal. You can also have the option to share your workouts on Facebook or simply email challenges to friends to work out or compete with you. Skimble is definitely a social networking app using Facebook Connect and/or its own network, and you can follow along to see the workouts and goals of anyone you follow under the Friends view. Next up, I've got extensive pros and cons, so be sure and stick around for them right after this awesome sponsor message that we created. So Stephanie, you're frequently involved with developing and designing apps.
Right.
Yeah, and so what you want to do is you want to focus on what the app does, how it works, and what it looks like.
Right.
And you don't want to focus on the processing that goes in the background, the storage that's involved with your app, and then the distribution of your app.
Right, I just want to keep it simple.
So Windows Azure is a cloud-based SDK for developers that does all of it. That means all of your storage, all of the back-end processing where the operating system is working and all of that, and then all of your distribution. It's all covered by the SDK. And the cool thing is, if you only have a few people using it, you only pay a tiny bit amount of money. If you have thousands, hundreds of thousands of people using it, it has the infrastructure fully built and sitting there ready to scale with you. It's fantastic.
That sounds great. And if you want to learn more about everything you need to start developing with Windows Azure, check out www.microsoft.com/cloud/Windows Azure.
Give it a shot. First, let's start with the cons, and I've got a lot of them. One, the app is a little buggy and there's still some kinks and some general user interface tweaks to be done. Two, the digital voice is kind of rather annoying.
Hi, I'm Jack.
The categories can be a bit confusing as to what workout goes under what category and why. 5, the education on workouts can be improved. What you need, how much weight, what kind of form to use, static photos don't really always cut it. 6, to further on number 4, workout noobs may have a tough time getting started and might need more clear recommendations on what to do and how to do it. All right, that's a lot of cons, so let's get on to the pros. The first is important because they're consistently adding new features and capabilities, many of which can and will quickly combat and get rid of a great number of the cons I just mentioned. Second, this app includes details on dozens upon dozens of workouts, complete with solid research from many professional trainers. Third, you can track and log and schedule all of your workouts. 4, you can customize and create and share workouts. And 5, this is the first real social app allowing you to take the social networking mentality and apply it to everything from running and rock climbing to yoga and weightlifting. So in the end, I see Skimble's Workout Trainer as an app that needs quite a lot of improvement, but also has an incredible amount of potential, and it's absolutely functional enough right now and stands out on its own that at this point I would still definitely recommend the download. Now, we'd love to get your feedback. Please respond in the comments, find us on Facebook, on Twitter, YouTube, or even write us an email at appjudgment@revision3.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.